I'm Emily, and I will start off by introducing my project, Gigomy, which is a platform for people to post and take up jobs. The COVID-19 situation has impacted many different areas, one of the hardest hit being the economy. With higher unemployment, people face a loss in their income and have to compromise for a lower standard of living. So the project is built using Python and JavaScript. In this video, it shows that when the user logs in or sign up, the passwords are hashed before they are stored in the database. Video of a user posting a job. Furthermore, client-side JavaScript is used for fast filtration of jobs based on the criteria chosen by the user by manipulating the DOM elements. Next, a full CRUD model has been implemented for the job, allowing for flexible operations on each job. Using the Fast Mail library, which is built on a simple mail transfer protocol, users can receive important email notifications, such as when users take up, abandon, or delete their jobs. Thank you.